Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out is it bearish trend or bullish reversal, what's going on with the stock market world. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel, I really appreciate it. Let's move to trading view. Trading view stock heat map. Let's see. It's a lot of green, Amazon minus 4%. Looks like Amazon not happy with the earnings, but generally, look at it, technology, all green. Looks like all green on the stock market world. Beautiful. Okay, let's jump to stocks and we'll do technical review, technical analysis of the Friday. Today is all over, week is over. Tomorrow I will publish weekly updates and a month is over. And on Sunday I will do monthly review. Please follow it. Okay, let me briefly mention about my setup. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup, training, and other links about all my trainings. Also, I'm using moving averages. Look at it, this is moving averages, white line. Let me briefly mention about it. White line is SMA 200, SMA 200. Red line is SMA 10, green line is SMA 5, and yellow line EMA 20. That's all. Moving averages, buy and sell script indicator, volume, SMA, MACD indicator. MAD indicator, it's a green line, it's a bullish, red line, it's a bearish, and white line, it's a signal line. Also Heikanaichi and RSI indicator, RSI it's a yellow line, Heikanaichi bars green bullish, red bearish. Okay, let's start it. I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position, and my style when all indicators align in the same trend direction. For me, it's a full confirmation of the trend, right? Let's start daily. Daily Qs. Positive day, looks like all indexes, all positive from my watch list, right? Qs plus that 70% up, SPY almost 1% up, SPX, Dow Jones almost 1% up, IWM almost 1% up, 3/4% up, Apple, Tesla 2.5% up, BABA just quarter, and dollar is flat, but it's turning green. Okay, let's start from Qs, right? From Qs daily time frame, price action, it bounced from the MA20, and it's a buy signal, MA5 ready for bullish crossover. So far, as of now, we see the last bar far from 20. Each time it was far from 20, what it did connected back to 20. Far from 20, connected back to 20. Now it's bounce and it's far from 20. It will definitely, someday will connect back to 20. MACD is still bearish, no changes. Price action is uptrend. MACD is still downtrend, bearish divergences. Nothing changed. Multiple on histogram. You can extend to this histogram to MACD histogram, MACD line, bearish divergences. This is the bull trap. Nothing changed in the market. Still, maybe it will continue and move up and destroy these bearish divergences. But so far it's a triple bearish divergences, and just bull trap. Signal is positive, like I said, buy signal, and Heikanaichi green, MACD still red, still kind of weak, but positive bullish run. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame for Qs. 4 hours time frame for Qs, similar story, nothing new. Same bullish trend, uptrend, MA5 did bullish crossover over 5 and 20, bullish trend, like I said. You see each time bar was far from 20, did connect back to 20, same here. Now it's far from 20, it will connect back to 20, but signal is bullish. MACD, it's a bullish, but with bearish divergences. Like I told you, multiple, triple bearish divergences on all time frames. Same on RSI, bullish signal with bearish divergences. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, nice bullish run from MA 200 from white line. Far from 20, we'll see. Will it next week? It should connect it back to 20. MACD you see has price action is uptrend. MACD histogram downtrend. Bearish divergences on all time frames. RSI in the overbought territory, around like plus 40. Everything between 30 and 40, it's overbought territory. RSI in the overbought territory. It wants to have some correction. And look at it, even volume is huge decrease, right? Price action is uptrend, volume is downtrend. On 1 hour time frame, bullish signal with bearish divergences on all indicators on all time frames. Be careful with this bull run because it will change direction very quickly to bearish. Let's move to SPX and daily time frame. Let's start from daily time frame. Similar story. Price action is uptrend. Even from this point, it's flat price action. From this point, it's bearish divergences, right? Even if we make like this, yeah, multiple bearish divergences on the daily time frame. MACD still red, still bearish. MA5 still below 10, still bearish. 2 green days, buy signal on its script. Fibonacci change from red to green. Bullish but bearish divergences on all indicators, multiple bearish divergences. Let's move to 4 hours. Similar story, multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. Signal, MACD change color from red to green. It's a bullish signal. Fibonacci green, bullish, bearish divergences on all indicators on the 4 hours time frame. No changes. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, bullish run from bounce. Yeah, it left the gap below. This gap will be closed, but it's a huge run from 4,050 up to 1,150, 170 actually. Maybe it will revisit the up. Let me go. Yeah, bullish trend on 1 hour time frame. Also, it's kind of far from 20. Last bar, it's disconnected from 20 and 200. We'll see next week. Yeah, it's in overbought on 1 hour time frame. It definitely will have some correction next week, and it should close this gap below. Let me show you daily what it can do. This price action is it definitely can test this price level around 4200. Will build bearish divergences, and it will do correction after that. It will be sell off after that test. Let me show you how it can work. It can work like this one. Can be this. It can touch this one, and it will continue to build. It will build this bearish divergences from the top. Actually, let's have from this point. That's enough. That's what looks like it wants to do. Possible. So far, it's a bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences, and that's what we have. Even today, if we do like this one, yeah, price action at this level, same price action and bearish divergences from this from this point, right? Bearish divergences. Nothing changed. Okay, let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones also positive day, positive run, buy signal, same bearish divergences. It made a new recent high, double top, bearish divergences on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, buy signal, green bullish day, last bar far from 20, disconnected, bearish divergences on all indicators. It wants to have some correction, bullish signal, MACD, change color from red to green, bullish, and Heikanachi, bullish green signal, bearish divergences on the RSI. On 4 hours time frame, signal is bullish but bearish divergences. It is building still bearish divergences. And on 1 hour time frame, similar story. Very light bearish divergences on 1 hour time frame. Signal is bullish. Similar, it's overbought in overbought territory on RSI. Last bar far from 20, it's disconnected, definitely wants to connect back to 20. And it left some gap below. Bullish trend, bullish signal, overbought. RSI in overbought territory. IWM daily. It is still negative. You see all moving averages below 200. It is still bearish territory, bearish signal, bearish trend. All indicators still bearish. No, still sell signal in the script. It bounced. It was disconnected from 20. Last 2 days it's connected to 20. That's nice. You see today it was connected to MA20, but still bearish, still negative trend direction. Still bearish direction. And bearish territory. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's going on. 4 hours. Heikanachi wants to go bullish. It's green. Buy signal on the script. Last bar touched MA20. Still negative territory below 200. Buy signal, bullish signal on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Bullish signal, buy signal on 1 hour. It touched MA200. And looks like it was rejected from MA200. RSI was overbought and it wants to have correction. We'll see. Moving averages still below 200, still bearish territory, and looks like it wants to reject price action from MA200, from SMA 200. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily time frame. Nothing changed on Apple, right? Green day, 0.75% up. Let's see. Price action is uptrend. Nothing changed on the MACD. MACD is still red. Bearish divergences, multiple, triple, quadruple, right? Triple bearish divergences on all indicators. Apple wants to have correction. Yeah, Heikanachi green. Buy signal, MA5 ready for bullish crossover. Last bar far from 20. Each time it was far from 20, it did connect it back. Same will happen this time also. Maybe it will retouch this price action trend line and will move down, but so far bearish divergences on all indicators. It wants to have correction. 4 hours time frame. Same buy signal, bullish run. Nothing changed. Bearish divergences, signal is green, bullish, but it's building multiple bearish divergences and it's moving. It wants to go down. RSI same bearish divergences. Signal is bullish, green and Heikanaichi are assigned overbought territory. Each time it touched overbought territory, it moved down, right? Bullish signal with bearish divergences, 1 hour time frame. Very bullish, nice run, bullish run. MA5 ready for bearish crossover. MACD ready for bearish crossover. Heikanaichi, it was on our side. RSI was overbought. In overbought, bearish divergences, it wants to have some correction. But still positive on all time frames. Tesla. Tesla daily. Let's start Tesla daily. All moving averages still below 200, right? What Tesla did, it did 2 days ago, it did touch the mate. Yeah, for 2 days it touched this gap and bounced from this gap. Buy signal. It didn't close the gap. Yeah, it has kind of two behaviors. Gap can be resistant and support. That's what it did in this case. And it can fill the gap and it can bounce from it. So far it bounced from the gap. It was very far, it was very oversold, it was very far from 20. Now it bounced from oversold territory. Looks like it was connected to MA20, to yellow line. Maybe it will close this gap above because now it has two, it's like island in the air, right? It should close some gap to close this air because it's airspace above and airspace below. Can bounce and close this gap and move and continue to go down. Still bearish trend on all indicators, or it will continue to go down and close this gap first. This gap will close later. We'll see. Still bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame, and bars and moving averages in the bearish territory. Downtrend. MA200 white line downtrend. Very bearish. When moving averages below 200, it's very bearish. On 4 hours time frame, similar story. It was positive, moving averages was above 200. Now all moving averages below 200. Even by signal on the script, signal is bullish, bullish crossover. MACD change color from red to green in the bearish territory below zero line. Same Heikanaichi green, bullish crossover. Signal is bullish, but direction is bearish. MA20 yellow line downtrend. Downtrend, but like 3 bars ago, 4 bars ago, it was very far from 20. It was very oversold, and that's why it moved up to connect to MA20. Maybe it will touch MA20 and will be rejected and will continue go down. So far, signal is bullish. 1 hour time frame for Tesla, bullish crossover, all moving averages below 200. It is bearish trend. Buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. MACD bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover. RSI in the overbought territory. Overbought territory, usually when it's in overbought territory, it wants to have correction. We'll see. On 1 hour time frame, it's overbought and it wants to have some correction, but signal it's still positive, still bullish. That's all. Let's move to BABA. BABA on daily time frame, Alibaba Group. Similar story. All moving averages below 200 now. It is very negative territory. MACD below 200, below zero line, negative territory. RSI and Heikanaichi RSI in oversold territory. Bearish trend. I was expected that will retest this bottom level around 80. And here is the another gap over here around 70, 77. Yeah, it should test this level at least to make it double bottom, or maybe even this level. In the best case scenario, it should retest this level to make real double bottom around 60, then bounce from it and go higher. So far, still bearish oversold on RSI signal or RSI line. Okay, bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, Similar story, you see MA20, all moving averages below 200, it is bearish. But it wants to have correction because it was far from 20. Buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD bullish crossover, RSI bullish signal on 4 hours time frame. It wants to have correction, it wants to connect back to MA20. 1 hour time frame, it is bullish on 1 hour time frame on all indicators. It's moved above MA20, above yellow line. It is positive still above MA20, but remember, all moving averages below 200, it is bearish territory. Bearish territory, negative territory, but signal is bullish. Let's move to Dow Jones, to DXY USA dollar. DXY USA dollar. Let me maximize it. DXY bounce from the bottom, double bottom. MA5 still below 10, still bearish. MACD change color from red to green, it's a bullish divergences. Fibonacci green, yeah, like I mentioned before, you see this price action flat, lower price, and even, but on the bullish divergences on all indicators. Let me change color to blue, because usually I use blue color. Bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on the RSI. Also similar, let me show you. Bullish divergences on all indicators. It wants to go bullish, but it is in the bearish territory because all moving averages below 200, it is bearish territory. So far, bars and moving averages MA5 and 10 below 20, it is bearish. We need to move MA5 and 10 above and bar about 20 to get bullish price action like here. It was bullish price action. When bars above MA20, it is bullish price action. When bars below MA20, it is bearish price action. So far, it's still bearish. For our even signal green positive. For our time frame, it's different story. It's already bullish, right? MA5, 10 moved about yellow, about 20. Bullish trend, MACD bullish. Fibonacci green bullish. Bullish signal on 4 hours time frame, still below 200 downtrend big time, but signal is positive bullish. 1 hour time frame, buy signal on the script below 200, still bearish, MACD still bearish, awesome oscillator and RSI, Fibonacci and RSI still red, still bearish. On 1 hour time frame, it is still bearish. It was nice bull run on 1 hour, but it was nice sold off. It did sell off. Okay, that's all. Dollar is still weak, still bearish. For indexes, it's still bullish. Okay, let's do summary. Let's do summary. All indexes still on daily time frame, still negative signal, bearish divergences on all indexes on all time frames. Even kind of signal is positive, but signal is very big because it didn't make it moves higher, but it didn't make new changes for any bullish trend, because bearish divergence is still in place for all indexes, for all indicators on all time frames. Still bearish divergences, it means all indexes, they still want to go bearish because of the bearish divergences, low volume, and this bull run, it's a bull trap. It will do correction. I think next week will be correction. Next week we will see correction, we'll see. That's all, and tomorrow will be weekly review. Please watch it. Let's move to disclaimer. Thank you. I'm not an investor. I'm not an investor or financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Please read it, and remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes. Please subscribe and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.